But I have to check out.
Hey, hey, how are you? Hey,
Yeah,
hmm? Sarah, how
yeah.
Australia? Come, I'm coming back
Is it?
to Jamaica on in July 2024.
Oh,
No, Australia, because I was on Vibes Cartel show Teacher's Pet, the crazy lady, the lady who went crazy. Yeah, you're going to come to a girl tour here, and you can stay at my place if you want. I mean, we've got 3 room. I mean, I well, there's lots of nice places to see in Australia, so I can take you to the kangaroos and
is
koalas.
it?
But and Eddie Vibes Cartel is Little Vibes is dropping Lemonade like really soon from their new EP. Cause I know Shorty because
I'm
when
excited
our
about
kids
the
were really
teacher's pet
young,
even now. I
right?
was
Because I was
talking
in
about
Jamaica.
teacher's pet
I was in
last night.
Jamaica for Teacher's Pet, so I was there for the whole
Yeah, I like her.
filming.
She stand
I was the
proud and
first
well for
got into a
Jamaica. She
fight.
represents Jamaica
You
well.
see,
She's a strong
yeah,
black
with the
cat.
white girl,
Yes.
Chicago.
Yeah,
She
yeah, man.
accident,
She
but
put in
I
a lot of
understand
work. She
why
put
I
in a
had to
lot
go
of work.
because I fucked up. Sorry for my language, but I stuffed up the security because there's a man at watchman downstairs. And what do?
What?
I let him upstairs, and then
Oh my
Chicago
God.
tries to have
I'm
sex
gonna
with
come to
Kevin,
Australia. What's your
and that's
name?
why we had a fight. I never got to meet
Sarah.
Vibes Cartel, but yeah, you have everything that me want. Mm. And guess who's my son Oscar? He's 5. His godfather is Sicker Rhymes, like, but yeah, because I'm old.
Queen
Sikaram
Ray,
sent me a
sing
Facebook
a
message from
wings.
school because everyone
Yes, I
was
did.
really
I did. In the
excited
place
about
of
Teacher's
God, I
Pet.
did a
Did you ever
welcome to
watch
that
Teacher's
working
Pet? It
girl.
was like,
But I would like to come
yeah,
Australia.
it was real. Do you like
Lava,
spice? I like
lava,
spice.
chocolate lava. Yeah, yeah. Okay.
That's right. Yeah. Come fuck, come fuck me like you own me. Me love ya, me no, me love you, Lordy. Me love ya. Come fuck me like you own me.
Yeah.
Sarah, what's your name?
Okay.
Queen Lady
But it
Gangster.
was a
I
good
know you, and
experience.
I love you. You know why? Cause you. What are the words? The right words? You won Sting in the clash
Well,
with
I'm gonna have
Amari.
girls.
You
I'm gonna
won.
have girl
You
power
won.
pets. So
Who
you
won
can
the
maybe come in
clash?
mind.
Queenie
I
won.
want to do a reality show for girl power. Yes.
Because Trumino Lava is a good friend of mine. Chat Laugh have a buzz. Um, like Ralph.
I remember
Yeah,
milk. I remember
Lava
milk.
from Florida. I've only been to Florida once, but I'm gonna come back because, like, I'm not lying to you. You can share the live. You can record it. You can put it on YouTube. You can do because we did Teacher's Pet for free. We
Thank
all
you,
worked for free
Sarah.
because
Thanks for
a
sharing with
working
us.
visa
You
in
know,
Jamaica
girl
is really
power.
expensive. You
Bye.
understand? So I just came as a tourist. So I
Oh,
didn't make any
you
money
not
because I wasn't
Jamaican.
allowed because the taxes. Yeah, sorry. I love
Well, I'm
Jamaica.
Jamaica.
So
So, Sarah,
yeah,
are you
and
gonna
then
come in my
yeah,
teacher's pet
of
then?
course. I didn't want to leave. I didn't want to leave. It was like Disneyland for
I'm gonna have
because
a
you could
I'm gonna
go.
have a girl power teacher's pet. And Sarah's gonna come
What?
in it from Australia. Ha ha.
Come what?
Big up yourself, Sarah. Dear me, I'm
Oh,
send me a dear.
yes. And you know, BK from Teacher's Pet. You should do.
Thank you, bye.
Yeah. Do you know Milk?
All
She's
who know
one of my.
a friend from Australia. Oh, Lord God, don't leave my new Australia friend. Why am I for cut off? I'm tired of them, man. I want some new foreign people to be my friend, Sarah. Yeah, from Australia. Man. I got Australia, Sarah. I care about all of the famous spot them. Anyway, I just last time I did here I talk about it. I said, I want to do a reality show. I want to rent to a like 10 room, one apartment. And people fly from all over the world. All of my true royal crazy them. When I was some girl power teachers because Cartel inspire me. You know the song I sing for Vibes Cartel. Things are nice like one time. Some of them fake and bad man. Cartel I wait from long time. Oh Lord, him I wait for the sunshine. Teachers pet girl empowerment. Yeah, I'm inspired by Vibes Cartel. I'm from a watch at 13 episode. I remember I sit down all day and all night. I watch all 13 episodes of Teacher's Pet. And I'm intrigued. And now to the position I'm reaching in life with my girl power logo and me, Queenie, as a brand. I think it would be nice because there's so much people in the world who appreciate me, who want to meet me, want to spend time with me. And it's inspiring for ladies. It's like woman empowerment. So anybody with up on this have an apartment or rent out for a price. That's my next year, you know. 3 months, maybe 6 weeks, maybe 3 months, maybe too long. We can maybe start it with 6 weeks. Start with 10 girls in the house. Bomber clot. The king and the queen are going in at that. That's a little crazy, you know. Yeah, so we can talk all of that. You know, everything take time. I hate me, you know, I'm busy with them. Me look like me busy. I don't busy the world and them blood clot, mama. After me not pissing on them out. When me want piss it more and sit down and piss up my blood clots, then I piss up myself because I'm a rank blood clot plus tax. Me not busy the one yet, me love myself. And from a little bit more and be famous, so I'm proud of myself now because I am famous. You understand? Yeah man, send out good in the universe. And good follow you. It might not take you today, but mark my fucking words. All I want me say from I want me see them come to part. Hey, remember I have 5 penny for one man, you know. I was there in Jamaica and poor. I tell my baby father I say I go buy him one black BMW. Just talking. You hear that? Years to come to England, I own a Nissan X-Trail, then a black BMW, then a RDQ7. Nissan X-Trail going about business. I have the RDQ7 plus a black BMW. So I have 2 rich cars. One for 65,000, 60,000. How much was to the BMW? And the BMW say 40,000. That's a pound, you know. I tell you about 2004, 2005, 6. Yeah, 2004 and 2006. I buy the BMW 2004 for 39,000 English pound. My mother, ball, Jay. You know how much money that at Jamaica? That can buy one house, but some don't want a house. But just listen to the reason now. Buy the BMW, you know, get all of them the money, all of the money one time. I tell you not how much it worth, but I'm not for going at that anyway. So when I have the BMW, within a year, I want to change the BMW to the RDQ7 because the RDQ7 just come out and that's my dream car with me predict. I predict RDQ7, you know. Yeah, man. I have a friend, Nisha, Michaela, and I said that Michaela my best friend. So me and her, they are partner. We're still together in our heart. We love one another, but the two we are two bomber wall, two bullet. What?
They put up the same shit and liquor thing for me. Yo, humble one media. You need to find me, yeah, you. And don't make me come find you, that me tell it. May I get content off of me and my wife, and here we go, and me take charge of that one. You hear that? You need to find me, either you DM me or something.
How
Don't make me find you.
How
You hear that, guys? It will be more quiet in a reader. So, you see me? Just find the king. I make you the king reason, hey, that. That video
Yes,
you get a whole heap of views.
you
No,
know,
that.
so the thing come on the king and the queen.
That's fine, my God, you hear that? God, you know, do nothing wrong in it, nothing wrong in it. You hear that? 3 weeks ago, you put up that video when me jump. You know? Yeah, so let's find the king and make you the king with that one reason. Yeah.
Yeah. I want me that